When we talk about the interior of KDP books, it is quite challenging for us to make. A lot of times we get the fear, like if we are downloading our interiors from Creative Fabric or whatever it is, then it might get blocked or etc. But in this video, I'm going to solve all the problems for you. Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dubey and you're watching me for the very first time. So please subscribe to my channel because I talk about KDP strategies on this channel, and if you're already supporting me, then thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. So in this video, I'm going to give you the whole detailed video that how I create my quotes coloring book. Quotes coloring book can be like positive quotes coloring book. It can be like motivational, inspiring. It can be Bible verse quote coloring book. It can be curse quote, curse sorry curse uh, quotes coloring book and etc. There are a lot of niches which you can work on, and I have created a whole lot of videos explaining how I search for profitable niches and so on. So I'm not going to repeat all those things over and again in this video. I will leave the link in the description where you can watch all the niches related videos. Okay, so let's go. And for creating quotes coloring book, what is the standard size of the book? The standard of size of the book is 8.5 into 11 inches, right? We have already discussed it a lot of times. So to create the design, we are going to first custom size. We are going to pick the custom size, and I'm taking the example of Canva only. I'm not going to take any other paid software. This is completely free software. If you haven't signed up, go ahead in the link in the description and you can go ahead and you can sign up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I want to create the interior, so I'm gonna create 8.750, and sorry, it should be in inches, so it would be 8.75 and it would be 11.250. Okay, I have already discussed the bleed and no bleed factors over here, so I'm not going to repeat again. You can watch the bleed and no bleed video, link is in the description. So I'm going to create a new design, and this is the technique that I uses for my quotes coloring books interiors. Okay, I'm gonna create this book in like 5 to 10 minutes. Just watch me out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first go into the elements, and I want flower pattern. Similarly, you can go for any other pattern, but right now, if I'm creating a motivational, I want flowers to be in the background. Okay, so I'm gonna choose the flower background, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take some quick backgrounds. I'm gonna duplicate the page. I'm doing it quickly, so yeah, just stay with me. Let's go, let's see what else we have here. And I'm choosing the free version. This is not a pro version, this is completely free version. Okay, so let's see. No, we cannot change the color, so we cannot use it. Mm-mm-mm. Nope. Let me go here. I'm gonna see all, and I'm gonna choose something else. This is quite cool. Let's see how I can make use of it. Okay, what else? When you select an element in Canva, it is going to give you magical recommendations. So you can similarly go ahead and you can pick whatever flower designs you're liking over here. Something like this. And now it comes to the quotes. Like, what quotes are we going to write it? This is our page 2. I'm going to make 3 or 4 pages, so stick with me. So for the quotes, you can choose something from by your own, like your own thoughts, or you can go to brainyquotes.com and it can give you a whole lot of inspirational quotes for free. So you can go ahead and you can choose whatever quotes you are liking here. You can copy it and you can use it. So I'm going into the popular topics, and I'm going to choose like inspirational, and from here I can select the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today, or believe you can, and you're halfway here. So I want to use this quote. So what I will do is I will simply copy it. I will copy it and then I will go into my design, and then I will go into the text section. Okay, from here you can pick whatever text you want. Obviously you have to play around with it because our text designs are different. So whatever I'm gonna like it, maybe you are not going to like it, so you have to choose by yourself. But I'm just giving you an example over here. So let's go. uh, let's say I just wanna pick the simplest one. I will remove this up, and like this I will just justify it. If you want to have what what do we say, if you want to have spaces in between those, you can go ahead and you can choose the line spacing, and you can see how I'm spacing the lines. Now we want to create something like that we can color. Obviously we cannot color this, right? So you will select it and you will go into the effects. Okay, from effects you wish choose hollow. I choose hollow, and boom, here you go. It is easy. I can go ahead and I can change the size, and our one page is ready. See how easy it is. Similarly, this is the first design. Second design I can create similar like this. Like I can go ahead and I can just make it big like this. Okay, now it's ready. Now you can go ahead and you can choose another quotes. For example, I want to select no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. I will copy this. I will go ahead and I will choose the text. uh, I will paste it. Now you might be thinking like what happens to the background because it is going all over the place. Let me show you. Just wait for a second. Okay, now we will go ahead and we will just adjust the size. I will justify it. I will just keep it in the middle here like this. I will go into the effects. I will choose the hollow. If I want to change the space, I can go into the line spacing and I can change it. But if it is looking like this, obviously it is not looking good because the background is all over the place. So what I can do is I can go into the elements and not into the pattern. I can choose shapes. Okay, into the shapes I can just pick anything like this one, something like this. Yes, it looks good. Okay, and I will change the color white, sorry, and then I will put it like this. So now you can see how pretty it looks because it looks good to me. It is not overlapping and it is separate, and I am liking it. So like in 5 minutes we have created like 2 pages. Similarly, you will go ahead, you will duplicate it, and I'm gonna show you some other methods. Like I wanna go for like mandala. I will select it over here, and you can see how many mandala options are available. So I can do what is, let me show you some another design tricks. You can do something like this as well. like this. Look, it is all up to your creativity. Okay, I am doing whatever is coming into my mind right now. Similarly, you can choose whatever you want to do. You can use your own creativity out there. It's completely up to you. I can choose something like this. The third page is ready. See how amazing it is, right? Similarly, you can choose another designs from here and you can do something like this. Next design is very easy. I will just put it like this. I will duplicate it and I will put it like this. Boom, you can change the code and you're ready. So you can see in like 5 to 10 minutes I have already showed you like 4 pages ready to go. After doing all the pages, you can go ahead and you can just download. You will convert into like PDF print. You will select all the pages and done and download. Boom, that's done. Your interior is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comment section below. Please support my channel and I will see you in the next video.